Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with DN9. Today we are going to Magnetic Hill, which is in Pekina, South Australia. This is a place where your car rolls uphill when the car is parked. This is a very interesting place to explore. Magnetic Hill is located around 265 kilometers away from Adelaide and it is about 3-hour drive. Do you think it's too much of driving to see just a single place? No, it's not. You can plan your trip to see several things on the way up and down. We will talk about how we planned our trip in Adelaide in a different video. We started our journey from lush Adelaide area and drove towards dry outback area. Final part of the road leading to Magnetic Hill is a dirt road. Here we take the final left turn to the Magnetic Hill and there's only 6 kilometers to go from here. Now we are at the Magnetic Hill. Let's go and check it out. For that, you have to put the gear into neutral, turn ignition off and take the brakes off. Also, the signboard says only steel-made vehicles go uphill and not the plastic or aluminium cars. And also to be cautious if you have hip or knee replacements. As you can see, we have parked our car in the middle of the uphill and I'm ready inside the car to check it out. Okay, let's do this step by step. Step number 1. Put the gear into neutral. Step number 2. Release the parking brakes. Step number 3. Turn the ignition off and finally take the foot off the brake. I'm trying to get out of the car. Yes, the car is moving. It's moving uphill and I'm running with the car. Okay, let's get back to the car. Yes, it's moving uphill. This is incredible. Let's do this for reverse direction as well. He's ready in the car for the mission and let's follow the steps as before. Step number 1. Put the gear into neutral. Step number 2. Release the parking brakes. Step number 3. Turn the ignition off and finally take the foot off the brake. Yes, the car is moving. It's moving uphill. It's moving uphill to the reverse direction as well. Let's have a look at that from a different view. Now we are inside the car and filming from inside. Now we are at the top of the Magnetic Hill. We notice that when we are at the other side of the hill, our car is rolling downhill. Is the magnetic field active only for one side? Or is this just an illusion? Let's investigate. Now we are at the bottom of the hill and all ready for the investigation. Let's do all the steps as before and additionally let's record the altitude of this point from the car. It says 584 meters. Now we will let the car to roll uphill and record the elevation again at the top of the hill. Now we are at the top and the altitude is 582 meters as per the car GPS. What? The elevation of the top of the hill is lower than the bottom of the hill? There's nothing to be surprised. This is just an optical illusion. It's certainly up to you to make a decision on what it is, but it is certainly worth visiting. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.